Let's make this very easy, quick Kaju Katli at home. Take about 270 grams of whole cashew nut and grind it into a fine powder. Use a pulse mode, okay, otherwise it will form into a lump kind of consistency, okay, and it is always better to sieve it before making it. Grind the larger particles again and you can use it. In a pan, take 3/4 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of water, okay. Put on the flame and let it dissolve, okay. Once the mixture starts to boil, add the powdered cashew nuts, okay, and stir it like this. You need to keep on stirring continuously, and after some time you will notice that the mixture will become thick, okay. So at this point you add around 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee, okay, or clarified butter. Stir it and in few minutes, okay, this took me around 10 to 15 minutes. You will notice that the mixture is turned into a dough-like consistency. Transfer it on a baking mat, or you can use a greased steel plate also, okay, and let it cool down. Spread it evenly on the baking mat. Cut it into a desired shape and your Kaju Katli is ready. Do give it a try.